Today we're taking a look at a charming little French countryside property that perfectly captures the appeal of rural living in France. A character-filled two-bedroom home tucked away in a peaceful hamlet in the Nouvelle-Aquitaine region. Located at La Bonnetière, just outside the village of Bussière-Poitevine, this delightful property offers the kind of tranquility that many people dream of when imagining life in the French countryside. Set at the end of a quiet hamlet with no passing traffic, it's a place where the pace of life slows down, where mornings can begin with birdsong and evenings can be spent enjoying the peace and privacy of your own garden. Built around 1900, this lovely stone house has retained many of the features that give old French homes their charm, while also benefiting from important modern improvements, including a new roof and an updated septic system. Ready to move straight into, it offers a wonderful opportunity as either a full-time home, a weekend escape, or a base for exploring this beautiful part of France. Inside, the house is warm and welcoming. The ground floor centres around a cosy living room, complete with a wood-burning stove, the perfect spot for relaxing on cooler evenings. Exposed beams, oak flooring, and the natural character of the property create a comfortable and authentic atmosphere throughout. The kitchen is fully equipped and provides a practical space for everyday living, while also opening towards the outside terrace and garden, making it easy to enjoy those long summer days and outdoor meals that are such an important part of French life. Upstairs, there are two generous bedrooms, offering comfortable accommodation for owners and guests. The layout is simple, practical, and full of potential, creating a home that feels easy to maintain while still offering plenty of character. But perhaps one of the biggest attractions of this property is the additional space that comes with it. To one side of the house is a large barn, offering endless possibilities. Whether you dream of creating a workshop, a creative studio, storage space, or potentially expanding the living accommodation in the future, this is a fantastic asset. On the other side, one of the outbuildings has already been transformed into an additional room. Currently used as another bedroom, this flexible space could also become a home office, guest accommodation, or hobby room, ideal for adapting the property to suit your own lifestyle. Outside, the property continues to impress. A private patio area provides the perfect place to enjoy a morning coffee or an evening glass of wine, while steps lead down towards the large garden beyond. With a plot of almost 1,000 square metres, there is plenty of room for gardening, relaxing, entertaining, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Several additional outbuildings add even more practicality, offering storage and further potential for those looking to create their own French retreat. The location is another key highlight. Although wonderfully rural, you are never far from everyday amenities. The village of Bussiere-Poitevine is less than 2 miles away, offering a bakery, butcher, convenience store, and bar. Everything you need for daily life. The nearby town of Bellac provides a wider range of shops and services, while the surrounding countryside offers beautiful walks, charming villages, and the relaxed lifestyle that makes this area of France so appealing. For anyone searching for an affordable home in France, a peaceful holiday retreat, or a property with the potential to personalise and make their own, this charming house at La Bonnetière represents a wonderful opportunity. A character home, a generous garden, useful outbuildings, and a truly peaceful setting, all for just €51,998. A perfect little slice of French countryside living.